Welcome to AGR's Organic again. Like I promised you on my previous video, I'm going to show you how I rest my castor bean. Okay, first of all, I have to wash them because I want to make sure they are clean. Even though I took them from my plant, but it's something that I'm going to use. Sometimes I can use even for constipation. I will take a little spoon, so I want to make sure it's clean. In my first water, I will use the first water. I will put some baking soda. I will put some baking soda in the water, and I will add the beans. My second water, I already put the vinegar, but I use the distilled white vinegar in it. My third water, I use spring water. So I'm going to wash them, and I will show you where I dry them. And then I transfer to the second water. And then the third water. And at the end, I just put them right here to dry. They will stay for 2-3 days. After 3 days, when they are really dry, I will go and make another video to show you how I press them. And I will show you the finished product also. Thank you for watching.